we're very anxious. That was the solution we wanted. So we bought literally the demo machine and stuff from the Hunkler Innovation days. That's correct. My brother, about 18 years ago, was in Columbia on the MBA program. And he was taking a business plan class. And he was writing a business plan about uploading photos to the internet and making photo books out of it. And this is way before Shutterfly or Kodak Gallery or Snapfish. So, you know, we were experimenting at the time and stuff like that. We had a website. We had some success in it and stuff. Then somebody from the Columbia Yearbook program came over to him and said, hey, I heard you make photo books. Would you be interested in doing the Columbia Yearbook? So we looked at it, kind of looks like a photo book. So I said, yeah, we can make this. And they said, and stuff, how many do you want and stuff like that? And they said, we typically get 300 or 400 of them. And this is, you know, photo books and stuff. The average number is 1.7 to 2 books per order and stuff. 400 books, you know, versus 1.7, well, this is kind of interesting. So they actually ended up buying more than 600 books that year because we were able to do it more efficiently because we were using the digital technology at the time. So they sold more books than they've ever sold before and stuff that year. So our first book was the Columbia MBA program yearbook. So from there and stuff, we really decided to niche specifically just in yearbooks. We were actually just interested in the publishing aspect. Our strength is in technology and service. So we have a lot of graphic designers on staff to help with our schools and stuff, help develop their books. But the problem we had was we couldn't find a printer that could do the books the way we wanted, specifically and stuff like that, the way we thought a yearbook should be made and stuff. So that's why we got into the printing space. Yearbooks are a little different from standard books. So most standard books, you get a book, it's a functional thing. You know, you use it once, maybe you'll read it once, maybe twice, you know. But a yearbook and stuff, we consider a memento, something that we're designing a product that should last generations. We want something and stuff that, you know, your son, you know, your grandchildren can look at and stuff and say, hey, that was what my parents looked like in high school or, you know, in elementary school or even in preschool these days and stuff. So we wanted something and stuff like that would last and stuff like that for, you know, beyond years, beyond decades, generations. It is and stuff, but I think part of the reason for our success is our laser focus on yearbooks. When I go to conferences or I meet my peers, they ask, oh, you know, what products do you produce and stuff? I tell them yearbooks. They always ask, what else? That's it. Or if it looks like a yearbook and stuff, we'll do that. If it's, you know, a church directory and stuff. But, you know, we just laser focus on yearbooks and stuff. And that allows us not to make any compromises in our service or our product line. It's very important. When we're looking for a partner, it's not just the machine that you buy off the lot and stuff, it's the service that you receive afterwards. It's very important and stuff like that to make sure you work with the proper partners. We'll be there not 6 months, 1 year from now and stuff, you know, but 3 years, 5 years and stuff. Some of our machines are 15 years old and stuff like that, but as long as we get the sports, the machine's still running like the day we got them. So our secret sauce is we will deliver a product better, faster, and cheaper than anybody else. The better and stuff is we pride ourselves and stuff like that on only creating the finest yearbooks, using the processes and stuff like that. You know, that's world standard and stuff like that for making the finest quality yearbooks and stuff like that. Faster is because we're using the digital technology and stuff like that. The digital technology is just perfect for this space. You know, short runs, quick turnarounds and stuff. And the cheaper is we're leveraging and stuff the technology and stuff, the latest technology and stuff to be able to deliver these products and stuff in a more efficient manner than in the past. And then overlay that we sprinkle all that with technology and stuff. We pride ourselves on our technology department and stuff like that. Then the technology and stuff like that ties that all together and stuff. We do a lot of online and stuff, but we do all the standard and stuff. We have sales reps that go directly to schools and stuff. We go to the conferences, direct mail and stuff. Well, we pretty much use all the lead generation methods. They go onto the website, they could upload their photos, they could completely design their photos, approve their photos, they could collaborate together and stuff. There is technology, again, because we're focusing on yearbooks, there is technology that's a little different from standard photobook making software that allows you to upload all the photos and the students and stuff to make the panel pages, the standard pages with all the names and stuff. So our technology is a photo book program that's, again, laser focused on yearbooks. So they have a lot of extra tools and stuff to help them design their yearbooks. We have designers that actually go through the files, because these aren't professional designers and stuff like that. So, hey, they'll go through, check it for any obvious mistakes and stuff. It goes straight into the press, all lights out. We used to be 100% indigo shop. Back in the day and stuff, that was de facto quality machine and stuff. And now we're moving over to inkjets. So we've recently put in some Canon IX and stuff as well. We bought our binding equipment first, and then we put the printing equipment and stuff to go to the binding equipment. So our thoughts were, we start with the product that we want. We go to our customer and stuff, and we go to, hey, what do our customers want? So we go with the product and stuff, and then we go backwards from that and stuff. So, hey, we know and stuff our customers want a high quality sewn products that last, generations and stuff, the highest quality and stuff. So we start with the product that we want, and then we go back and stuff. Oh, this is the binding equipment for this. Smyth-sewing books are the highest quality books in the world. All the religious books ever made and stuff are smyth-sewn. Your Bibles, your Qurans and stuff, they always use the smyth-sewing. Again and stuff, why do they use this technique is the binding will last multi-generation. You could open it and stuff and look through it and stuff thousands of times and stuff, and it'll maintain the integrity of the book and stuff. It also has some very nice lay flat features and stuff, as opposed to a glue book and stuff. If you ever look at the binding and stuff like that, it's sometimes a little tight. But yearbooks, they like to do many times a multi-page spread where they'll have the whole school go across 2 pages. The smyth-sewn has this beautiful ability to lay completely flat and stuff. So you get these beautiful spreads. So the quality is better and stuff, but aesthetically and stuff, it's a better book as well and stuff. It was never our intention to buy the first machines and stuff. It's funny how that worked out, honestly, and stuff like that. It did work out. Again, going back to and stuff, this is the product that we want. But the problem we had was and stuff, the technology wasn't there for the product that we wanted and stuff. They had the technology to make smyth-sewn books, but it was a bit archaic for us. We wanted the digital aspect of it. So as soon as the technology arrived and we saw it and stuff, that's like, hey, that's what we wanted and stuff. This is what we've been waiting for and stuff. So that's why it's stuff we always the first and stuff. We were the first in North America to receive the universe. We were the first in North America to get 2 universes. Yes. That goes back to, we've hit the quality, the service and stuff like that. We do it with our staff and stuff. And this is where we get to the cheaper and stuff like that. We need the efficiencies and stuff. And the efficiencies from the roll fed and stuff, it just gives us multiple levels of efficiencies over our sheet feds. Italians are the best sewers in the world. They are and stuff like that. They will make the best suits and stuff, and they have the best sewing machines in the world. We don't care and stuff where the machine's from and stuff. If it's the best and stuff like that, that's what we want and stuff. HPs are Israeli machines. Canon is Japanese. Universe is Italian and stuff. We're very open to technology and stuff like that. We're just looking for the best equipment in the world and stuff. I mean, the great thing about the Mechanic Technica is, yes, when we need help and stuff, we get great support when we need help and stuff. But they're very, very robust machines. I mean, we have them come in to service the machine before our season and stuff, and it wouldn't be unusual to go a whole season and stuff like that, not calling a technician. We'll call them in for the maintenance and stuff like that, but they're very, very robust machines. But when we need it, they come down in 40 minutes and stuff. They're right here in Connecticut, so I think that's a little advantage that their headquarters is right here in the US and stuff, and they have local technicians. No, I think you nailed that on the head and stuff. We're very adverse to taking risks. But we mitigate that because, hey, we know the guys at Mechanic Technica and stuff. Hey, it's a first-year machine and stuff, no matter what. And stuff, there might be a blip or two and stuff, but we know and stuff like that they'll come back and fix it and stuff, upgrade it and stuff, update it, whatever needs to be taken care of. The machines are very robust and stuff, but our timing is very critical and stuff. There is no delays in yearbooks and stuff. If the book doesn't arrive by the end of school and stuff, then you have unhappy children and stuff. So there are no delays. So part of the service that we get from Meccano Tecnica is we will pay for one of the technicians from Italy and stuff to be on site for our yearbook season and stuff, because we have so many Meccano Tecnica machines and stuff. Make sure and stuff like that we're getting as close to 100% uptime as possible. I think that works both ways and stuff. One and stuff, obviously and stuff, our uptime is much higher and stuff by having an original Italian technician, but he's the ones that actually builds the machine. So I think it's really good for them to actually see the machine in operation 24 hours a day and stuff. And then I'm sure he takes some of that back and stuff like that when he's designing the machines as well. We always have to consider ROI and stuff, but we have to service our customer. We actually consider our business two parts. We have the manufacturing division and stuff, and we have the publishing division. So this part, the manufacturing division and stuff, has to service our customer. And our publishing division and stuff is demanding smyth-sewn books and stuff at very efficient levels and stuff like that. So then we go back, hey, we need to make this very high quality book and stuff like that at this efficiency level and stuff like that. Basically we have to figure it out and stuff like that.